Hi guys, let me show you how to design a bridal dress like a pro.
Hello beautiful people, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. Veekeejames wore this yellow and red dress for the Future Awards that she hosted a few weeks back, and I thought I should analyze how she must have made it. If this is what you would love to learn, keep on watching, like my video, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any tutorial that I'll be posting in the future. My name is Winifred and you're welcome to this channel. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. You already know that every of Veekeejames design starts with a sketch, and from this sketch we can see that it's a corset with a basque waistline, which is what she has done. She mixed tulle with George fabric here, so the skirt part is George fabric and the upper part is tulle. The first part of the upper part was skin net, which is also spandex net also, and skin net. You have to get the exact shade of your skin so that it doesn't reflect. You see that it was barely reflecting here after she wore it. See the front part, it was barely. Then the corset part is a cupped corset and the basque was doubled. After the first part, another one was added to it again to make it deeper to the skirt part, and the skirt is just a normal straight skirt. Then after that was done, the designed George fabric was now draped on top of it like a wrapper illusion. All right, so it was wrapped around once to one side, and then the front part was ruched. The wrapper was wrapped around just once to one side as if you are tying a wrapper, and then the front part was ruched, just as you can see now. See, it's not difficult at all. The front part was just gathered and ruched, and then the other part of the wrapper was just wrapped around to one side, and everything looked really beautiful. And then the upper part, the bust area, they started adding some of the pieces of the George, the decorated George. They wanted to add it at the upper part area at first. See the ruche now. You see, it was the way she wrapped it around her body at first. That was how they left it. And then the front part here at the basque area, they just went ahead to gather it. They just ruched it. So it's that easy and simple. So now see the base is very neat, and she was trying to fit her dress here to know the accessory that she needed to use. Once they were done with the wrapper, they went ahead to fix the hand. This hand is a stylish structured cap hand. It's a structured cap hand that was placed at the upper part of the where the skin net stayed. All right, it was a structured cap hand that was placed there. Once she was satisfied with everything that she wanted, she went ahead to do the beading part. So everything on this, every design on this cloth was fully beaded. It was fully beaded, and they made use of sand beads all through, but they mixed it with red and gold. So see the way they first drew the pattern of what they wanted to bead. You can't just be beading blindly. You have to draw out how you want it to be on your fabric. What they are holding here is a fabric pencil. It's a fabric pencil. It's used to sketch designs on your fabric. So they went ahead to draw out how they wanted it to look like, and they started beading. Everything here that you see was sand beads. You can imagine how stressful that would be. So they used sand beads, a combination of gold and red, because the red appeared on the George fabric, remember, so, and the gold also appeared on the George fabric. So to match up with everything from the top to the bottom, they used. I like the way the beading was, everything went. The one on the cup was slanted, and the one on the two net was just going straight. And I also love the way the one on the waistline, aligned, and everything was just coming out of each other, and it looked like magic. But just please, no magic, you can do it. It was a straight beading pattern that they used to achieve every bit of this, and it really, really came out very, very beautiful. See how beautiful it looked. Oh my word. Oh my word, this is really beautiful. I must commend Vicky's bidders. They are so, so talented. And I cannot just imagine how somebody will sit down. Like, I've done bidding work before, and I know how stressful it is. Working with seed beads this much is really stressful. This is hard work, and this dress must have cost a fortune. So this was how it was beaded carefully, and see how it looked. The beading did not just go straight. I like the way it was curved at some point, and everything was slanted at some point, and everything looked really, really beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in my next one. Till I see you again, my name is Winifred. Have a blessed week ahead. Bye. I love you, and I care. Papa.